getting dark on us. That's a load of wood, but let's see if we can get all of it. How tall would you guys guess it is? Yeah, probably 20 feet. We just got to finish the door. Let me go inside before it gets dark. We just got to put our door on it. Got our fire ring ready to go. But I'm 6 foot, and I'm probably 8 foot. Still got, man, another 8 foot to the peak. It's a pretty good size in here. Let's stand over there a second. How tall are you?
6 foot.
6 foot. Ooh. She's a big teepee, huh? Alright, let's get the fire going, get ready for the night. What is today? Like December, Saturday, December. What is today, Caleb?
Saturday.
I know, but the date, December 28th, 29th. We're all on vacation, that's
Probably
why we
like
don't know.
Or something.
No, it's not New Year's.
28th, I think.
Yeah, I think it is the 28th. So it's
Wednesday.
December 28th, 2013, Northwest Ohio. And we're going to spend the night in a painter's plastic teepee. Right on. We got freaking plenty of guns. Plenty of ATVs to ride. Got the gator over there. I don't know if you can see it, the 200S. Out here in the middle of the woods, sun setting on us. Alright, we got the teepee all set up. And it is drafting properly. Nice big hole up there. Smoke climbing straight up. Down to the fire. Over there. No smoke. Brock's got his bed set up already. Man, almost January and you're wearing shorts and a teepee?
Yeah.
What's your thermometer say? Where's it at? We've only had the fire going about an hour.
Dropped down to 40.
40?
It's just above, it's about 41.
41? Not bad, not bad. Comments, Caleb? I got the smoke rising from the fire right in your face.
Nah, I'm good.
What we got here? Oh man, we got some hams. Mine's boiling. Slide mine over. It's gonna burn your fingers.
Slide it with my hand.
We're getting ready to eat, and then we're gonna go riding. But yeah, plastic teepee is drafting and working fine. Once it warms up in here, we'll be all right. It's not bad right now. We're gonna eat. What's that?
Your chili's boiling.
My chili's boiling?
Yeah.
Time is it? Midnight?
It's dark time.
Dark 30?
12:35.
12:35 would be December 29th now.
Yup.
And we're having a late night snack here inside the teepee. We got us some Firehouse super hot something chili, some noodles to go with it. It's December 29th and we're sitting in here in shorts and a t-shirt. What's the temperature over there say?
Probably still at 50.
50? Feels good in here, considering it's freaking 30 something outside.
31.
31?
Yeah.
So yeah. Nice fire. Got good beds in here. Blue tarp stuffed with leaves. Some wool blankets, pillows. Man, we're living large. waiting on the coffee to get done. What you got there, Brock? Basically a pea shooter.
No.
What ammo does it shoot?
7.62 54R.
Ah, hell, my pellet gun shoots bigger loads than that. I heard the dirt raining down. Think you can hit it this time?
Hopefully.
Yeah, way under it.
Kind of shooting maggot well.
7.62 by 54 against the barbecue grill.